So in this video, I'm going to really go over some of the updates we've made here in 2025, but I'm also going to go over, how much this property has generated us in income in its first year as an Airbnb, and then what our expected income would be here in 2025. All right. What's up, family? So I'm here at our Airbnb in Castleberry. Just doing some updates with it, also getting it prepared. We have a guest checking in today. I just wanted to go over some numbers and also give you guys some highlights on some things that we've done to the property this year to make sure that we're still in position to be profitable for another year in 2025. This is our second year of having this property as an Airbnb. Last year we transitioned it from a long-term rental to a short-term rental. We did a massive renovation to this property prior to converting it, but let's go check it out. All right, so first and foremost, our landscaping is still looking good. We had to redo all the landscaping here on this property. We also had to, add irrigation because it didn't have any irrigation. I do see some flowers that I want to replace this year or this summer coming up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. We have 1 on this side. I'll probably replace that one right there, but that one's growing really well. And then I need to make sure that I fertilize all our palm trees, cut our porta-corpus back. And I need to redo some sod. Some of the sod is dying out, but let's check it out. So recently we had to change out our panel box. All right, and we had a Federal Pacific panel box in here. Check it out. We had a Federal Pacific panel box in here, so we had to change out our panel box. And so I'm gonna go and show you guys what we had to do here. All right, in the midst of changing our panel box, one of the reasons we had to change out our panel box is because we installed a new AC unit. We went from a gas unit, all right, to air to air. And so we was fine. The air to air was still working. I mean, it was like almost a 25-year-old unit. It worked really well, but the heat, the furnace on it did not work. So of course we had two extremely cold weeks here in Central Florida, and that just put us over the top with our guests. So we ended up not so much putting the guests out, but we ended up letting the guests check out, and we wanted to focus more on just getting a new unit installed so we don't have any more issues. All right, so here we go. This is our game room and garage. So we have a new unit. We also, again, changed our panel box, all right, from Federal Pacific to GE. So we all good here. All right. This house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. All right. This is one of the bathrooms here. Turn the light on. It's one of the bathrooms here. Really nice. It's one of the bedrooms. All right, in the midst of us renovating this property, I mean, we pretty much had to redo everything. None of the bedrooms had the electrical updated. So in order to add the light fixtures, we had to, upgrade all the electrical, which, everything worked out really well. We had to redo a lot of the texture on the walls. Of course, we had to gut out this kitchen. This kitchen and stuff was gutted out. We updated the lighting, removed the drop ceiling, modernized everything, new cabinets, new kitchen. Of course, this is our 3rd bedroom. All right. And one thing that we've been having to do is, since we changed the AC is a lot more powerful. So we've been having to come in and check the beds, because there was some black dust that was coming out of the AC vents, and that was from the new AC unit, being installed. So it's a whole lot more powerful than the other one. And this is our master bedroom. Master bedroom is nice size, vaulted ceilings. I just really like this floor plan. All right. This is the master bathroom. Have a sunlight in the master bathroom, which I really like. All right. This bedroom. So we had to change the whole layout for this bedroom. There was a step down here. The door to this bedroom was actually right here. When you came in, it's on this wall, and actually the door to this bedroom was right here as well. It's like, I don't think this was really a bedroom originally, but we turned it into a bedroom, so we closed that door off as a double door, and yeah, and closed this off as well. Moved the door over here. The bathroom was open, so it didn't have a like enclosed bathroom here, so everything was just open, right? So you just step up into the bathroom. So what we did was we leveled off all of the foundation in coming into this room. We moved the door here, close off the bathroom there. And so you come in, it's a one level. We walk into the master bedroom, then you have your own separate entrance into the master bath. And so that was one of the enhancements that we made to this master bedroom, which I really like what we done there. And so the fireplace was already here. I really like that. It gives us a nice, character to the home. We add more lights in here. Outside of that, let's go outside right quick. All right, so the pool deck. The pool deck, it was sunken on that side, right? So we had a lot of issues on that side of the pool. So we had to come in and elevate the pool deck, right? And then we had to backfill it with some dirt. And so I'm gonna have to put more soil. I think I might end up doing like the fake grass on the backside there to give it green. We also debating about putting a pickleball court over there because this is a half-acre lot, so we want to make the most out of this lot. So we're thinking about putting a pergola right outside this fence. Just give it a little brief walk through so you can see the size of the yard, just to make more of the yard. One of the things that I didn't consider redoing all the sod here was, for one, it's a lot of money every month, for water bill when you're running the irrigation system to water all this grass. So what we want to do is we want to put a pickleball court right here in this space and put a pergola right there. So we have, let me see if I can see it. Yep, right there. We're gonna put a pergola there and then have a pickleball court here, which covers all of this green space here. And then we'll put our lights up. We already have electrical out here, so we'll run from our storage unit. We put lights out here, and then put green space, put our greenery on the backside there. Hopefully all our bird of paradise and everything grow up big and nice, give more shade and separation from the pool to the pergola, where we'll have like a bench and then seating area for the pickleball court. So we working on some things. So those are our future enhancements for this particular property. One other thing that we are working on is I'm gonna have my guy, like this waterfall, right? So it works, but the waterfall also has a leak in it. So we haven't been using the waterfall. We haven't been allowing the guests to turn on the waterfall, because when we turn it on, now the water leaks out of the back of it because the base of it has cracks in it. So we're looking to get this resurfaced and also get the plumbing on it repiped, so we can actually get the waterfall back working, which I think would be a nice feature and enhancement to the back outdoor area. Other than that, I think this outdoor area has been, this home, let's talk numbers. All right, so as our first year is on Airbnb with this property, before we was renting this house out for like $24.50 a month. And so since converting it over to an Airbnb, this house been doing anywhere between $6,500 to $8,500 a month. So this house made us like around 80, I think it's like $86,000 for the year in 2024. And so I'm really happy with what this house was able to produce us, being that we have multiple Airbnbs, and so this is our most I want to say highest producing Airbnb, and it's not per se in like a tourist area, and so it's off in a cul-de-sac. It's not a gated community, but we do have a fenced-in yard, half an acre lot here, and we're just looking to do more with it. So here we are, man. We did spend a lot of money. We did spend a lot of money on the renovation of this property, over 6 figures. So when you thinking about, getting into this Airbnb space and renovating the property, it just all depends on where you are financially. If something like this will be, I want to say more advantageous than, buying something that's already an Airbnb. Again, this has been one of our most lucrative Airbnbs. Of course, we had another Airbnb that done 80 plus thousand its first year. But since we have, we built our portfolio, it hasn't done the 80 plus thousand since then. So this one, per se, it's, we have a higher demand. The average, like what we're getting on nightly here ranges from like 225 to 315. So we have actually 225 to 350. So we have a bigger range of revenue coming from this one. And the demand is just different, right? Demand is just different for this one. So, hey man, look, this is where we are. This is where we are. So today I had to stop by because, from when they redid the panel box and redid the AC, we had some cameras and we also redid our internet. So we put a new internet box here and router, and we had to reprogram all the cameras and TVs and so forth. So we had one camera that we didn't get to reprogram for the guests checked in. And then we had the doorbell that actually stopped working since they changed the power, since we changed the panel box. So I came in and installed a new doorbell, but I found out that there's no power, right? There's no power going to the doorbell, so there wasn't no reason to changing it. And so we got to get the electrician back here to sort of run the wires back and see what's happening with our power. Why? Because we have power going to our chime and our transformer, but we just don't have power from the doorbell to the transformer. So we got to, just troubleshoot that and get that corrected. But we do have a guest checking in today, and I think they'll be here till like next Monday. I think they'll be here for like a week. But I think no. They'll be here for 4 days, and then we have another guest checking in the day they check out. So this place will be booked for like the next week. And so I think it'll be like next Monday or Tuesday before we'll be able to get back in here to look at our water fountain and also address our doorbell. But needless to say, this is just a day in the life, man. I spent the last couple hours here just getting things together, adding more pool towels, and making sure the house is ready to go for our next guest that's coming in. But since we've had this Airbnb, right, we did have to change out these chairs, right? We had to get more sturdy chairs. We had some chairs from IKEA. They didn't work out so well. They kept getting broken, so we just replaced them. And then other than that, I don't think we had any other issues here as far as replacing anything. We did have a TV that went out, which was a new TV, but what happened was we ended up just having to reboot it, do a power reset. But so we're going to take that TV and put that in the garage of one of the Airbnbs we're adding the game room to. But other than that, man, we haven't had any issues here. It's been a great source of revenue for us, and we look to have another great year as we position it to add more value, especially with our pickleball court. But I don't think we're going to add it this year. I think we might wait till next year because we did spend, again, over 6 figures renovating this property just last year. So we still, we want to recoup all of our investment first before we invest more money into this one. But I do want to start getting price quotes on what it's going to cost to add our pickleball court, add our pergola, put our lights out there to create a more enhanced experience outside, since we do have a half-acre lot here. Other than that, man, listen, this is Airbnb Success Secrets, man, and I'm your man, broker, Airbnb specialist, investor, coach, mentor, Emmett Combs. If you're looking to invest in short-term rentals or sell, or just you need a consultation, man, make sure you reach out to us, 786-277-1190. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more updates, more content, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more. All right. Until next time, see you guys shortly.